Our mission at Oxbo International is to provide niche market agriculture around the world with innovative products. Oxbo designs, manufactures, and sells specialty equipment, mainly harvesting equipment, but we're in specialty crops such as grapes, blueberries, sweet corn, seed corn, alfalfa, niche market agriculture. My name is Gary Stitch. I'm the President and CEO of Oxbo International.
In order for Oxbo to deliver what the customers need and demand, we have to constantly innovate, even in mature product lines such as the pea harvester. My name is Brian Moll. Currently, I serve as the sales manager for our processed vegetable and specialty harvester lines.
Oxbo recently underwent the challenge of becoming ISO 9000 certified. With that certification, helped us step forward to meet the ever-changing demands of today's global customer. Byron is home to some of our longest tenured employees. Our roots in Western New York run deep, and our employees represent that. It didn't take me long to realize our people were our greatest asset. This, along with our rich history and lean principles, helps separate Oxbo from our competitors. We build one machine at a time. As one team, we're one Oxbo. I'm Chris Shadbourne, plant manager, Byron, New York.
One of the things that Oxbo prides itself on is listening to its customer base. Since about 2010, with the introduction of the triple mergers, we had a segment of customers that you could use a smaller version of our big mergers. We wanted to make a merger that was more affordable for our smaller operations that had the same benefits of low ash and high quality feed for our small producers. I'm Ken Krakowski, Eastern Territory Manager, Hay and Forage.
At the time the single merger came up, all of our engineering resources were being applied towards the larger equipment. We eventually realized the great success we had with the triple merger and the concept of hay in a day needed to be applied to a smaller machine. I'm Steve Dow, Senior Designer for hay and forage equipment.
By utilizing an existing conveyor and pickup head design, we're able to very rapidly develop a single pickup merger. We recognize the opportunity to provide our smaller operator with the same performance and hay quality as provided by our triple mergers. I'm Jim Glazer, Senior Project Manager for hay and forage.
One of the sources that we have for new ideas is coming directly from customers. When designing these products, I want to make sure that the product that it actually produces, in this case the peas, are the best that they can be. The best product can be delivered to the customer's table. I'm Alan Russell and I'm a Senior Project Manager at Oxbo International.
Working at Oxbo provides me with the satisfaction of knowing that our customers are provided the best service and parts in the world. My name is Kyle Rice, and I'm currently the parts manager for the Oxbo, New York location.
Oxbo provides support to the customer base 24/7 during harvest season. Everybody comes to work every day knowing that no matter what the problem or issues are, we're going to get through it as a team. My name is Louis Galetti. I'm the Service Operations Manager here in Byron, New York.
When our customers are harvesting a crop, when they call, we have to respond right away. We can't say we'll be there Monday morning. That just doesn't work. And everyone in the company understands that if we're going to deliver the customer service and the innovative products that we need, every person is important. Teamwork has always been emphasized at Oxbo. It's even in our name. That's what Oxbo is all about, pulling together to get more done as a team.